Hey everybody, this is for America to see Old Town Stockholm. So here we have Systembolaget. This is a very important part of Scandinavian culture. You have to control and regulate your alcohol and overtax it insanely, and yet still everybody's an alcoholic. So then they all have to go to the bar because this closes at 6 or at 7. So we've got Monday, Åndag, Torsdag, Fredag, Lördag, Lord's Day, Monday, Torsdag is Thursday, Fredag is Friday. Här kan du betala med bankbetalning kreditkort. Pengar is med money protected by deposit safe, no dogs. So then there's this nice church. I just wanted you to see the church mainly. This street is Tyskabrinken. There is T-Bahn and Södermalm. It's super totally freezing tonight. And then here's this beautiful church. I really like it. And then everything's cute. In all the shops, everything is completely cute. But it's too cold to hold the camera, actually. So I'm going to have to close it. But there's this cute pub thing called the Välkommen Ned to move its killer. But there's this cool fake Irish pub thing where they play like cover songs. And then this is fascinating, the archaeology tour. I think this might be something cool. I'm not too sure. Circus is some cool venue. And I'm gonna go to Stampen actually, but I have to put my hands in some gloves in my pockets because they're freezing. They're completely freezing. Everything's totally freezing, but it's nice. I like it freezing. Everything is totally cute. There's like this deeply intrinsic Swedish tendency is to make everything adorable. Like look at this. I don't even have time to care why or know why I should care about how adorable all this stuff is, because I'm not really very materialistic. But I think it's almost like it would help someone as deeply jaded as myself try to become materialistic. And where a lot of it actually reminds me of is Los Angeles Robertson Boulevard. And I'm going to Stampen because they have really, well this is really cute, this little tea shop. But they have peanuts. I don't really care about beer, but they also have music and peanuts. It sounds amazing. And look at these little tiny roads, little medieval roads. This is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Gamla Stan is just super lovely. And wow. Wow.